Where are you? Where are you, Sharar? Don't worry, I'm here. No, nothing is happening. It's not the physicality you need to worry about. Is your mind in line with this existence? Is your body in line with this existence? Where do you think you're going? Are you going anywhere? We all think we're going somewhere in this life. But all one has to remember is no matter wherever you go, the direction for your body is the earth, not the tarmac. It's the earth out there. We have to put it back. So for that, how much trouble do we go through? That is just because we haven't aligned our mind. Our thought has taken over our lives. Our thoughts have created an aberrant and an awful environment for all of us to breathe on. There's no water. The life-making material is drying out. The lake here is shrinking. The arable land, the fertile land, has been turned and poisoned with our two hands. Collectively, we've all fallen into the trap of psychological drama and caused a tremendous harm and destruction to the earth. And not just doing that, but we are also trashing our earth indiscriminately without showing any sense of care and kindness that provide us life, that provide us the existence for us to walk upon. If we carry on in this way, we will all perish. Once the humans have disappeared from this earth, the earth will flourish like never before. If the insects disappears off this earth, we will have about 2 to 3 years of survival on earth. If the worms and other lives disappear off this earth, we'll have about 18 months to about 2 years left for our survival. It is thus that the human beings who are here at the most evolved creature on earth is causing a tremendous and awful destruction an awful disturbance to the earth's balance of life. We should be the ones, we were told we have been sent here to be responsible and care of all other creatures. Instead, on a daily basis, we're destroying their habitat, encroaching onto their space, destructing the life of those creatures for our convenience and our greed. We have to soon reverse this pattern of behavior and come up with a teaching that can save us, save our planet, save our living space, living environment, and create a harmonious and a union with every life that exists here, including the subatomic particle that is in constant transaction with everything that is around me. But when you look around you, everything has completely been destroyed. And not just destroyed, but also further damaged for the reason of no reason. Human beings who enjoy this vista here, at least the least they could do is to take their rubbish with them and dispose it responsibly. It is not your freedom that will make you live in sync with this existence. It is your responsibility responding to a meaningful, responding to the life all around you and be in sync with the entire existence and the cosmic space is what we need to learn, and what should be our foundation for our lives. It is sad to see the erosion, exploitation, damage, and tremendous harm done to this beautiful Mother Earth that gives us a phenomenal art of life. Look at all this. Where would you find a picture like this? And every second, every millisecond of when I've been here, the art has altered. And all the greatest artists on earth has copied this. For me, they're copycats. A painted picture which you cannot repeat, not even with the advantage of our technology. We'll be able to create this phenomenon that I was here to see. And for that, I bow down and sincerely feel that we all have to come together for this, to hold and protect every phenomenon that occurs around us with the nature's transactions. Time to head out.